Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel with your favorite food blogger Opeyemi, aka Good Food Boss. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a very exotic Nigerian delicacy called Ogbono soup. So where are my Ogbono soup lovers? Where are you? I'm going to be showing you a very easy peasy way of preparing this particular dish. Now, one thing I love about Ogbono soup is this. It has a very unique taste, and also I like the slime. You know, that drawy nature of this soup that helps your muscle go down smoothly without any form of hitch or hassle. Ogbono is very rich in flavor, and when you cook it the right way with the right ingredients, then it further enhances the flavor of the soup. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the list of ingredients that I will be using for this particular recipe. So for this recipe, we're going to be using stockfish. Stockfish is very important in your Ogbono soup. It helps to give you this bursting flavor, okay? So we are going to be using beef, crayfish, iru, that is your locust beans, roasted fish here. We have ugu leaves already sliced. And I'm also going to be adding cow tribes and bomo, you know, for that chop one, chop two effect. We have our seasoning cubes. We also have salt. We also have a very important ingredient. Let me get it. Ta-da! So we're going to be using this eziokwu ogbono paste for this particular recipe. Now, before we go ahead with the cooking, let me tell you a bit about this ogbono paste. Before now, when you need to prepare your ogbono soup, you have to first of all go to the market and buy your seeds, ask the seller to help you blend in their manual blender, or you bring it back to your house and blend. Right now, the story is different. Eziokwu ogbono paste is already smoothly blended, and that's not all. It also contains added palm oil. If you observed closely, when I listed my ingredients, I did not list palm oil. That is because this pack of ogbono paste already has the right quantity of palm oil added to it. So there is absolutely no fear of adding excessive oil, palm oil, or insufficient palm oil to your ogbono soup. With this, you're covered. I can't wait to show you the end product of this amazing product. Okay, so now let's proceed to cook our ogbono soup. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil my beef. I'm going to be boiling it till it is very soft. Okay, so while I am boiling my beef, I'll go ahead and clean my other ingredients and prepare them for use. Okay, so now we are going to be boiling our meat. I'll season it and cook it, my onions and garlic. I need to add my mixed spices, other ginger, seasoning cubes and salt, blended yellow scotch bonnets. So I'll just stir everything together, add little water, cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, now that our beef is cooking, I'll just go ahead and prepare my other ingredients for our ogbono soup, and boom, we go ahead to cook. At this stage, we are going to be adding our stockfish so that it can cook with the meat at the this last stage. And I'll add my pomo. This pomo has been parboiled. I parboiled it already with salt. So I'll just add it so that everything can cook together, and then we'll add our ogbono. For the ogbono paste, we have two different sachets. Okay, this is 142 gram. And this is 71 gram. Now, for every 142 gram, you need just 1 liter of water to cook it. Every Nigerian, I believe, has this container in their houses. Okay, so this is exactly 1 liter of water. I need one of these to cook the 142 gram of ogbono paste. I need half of this to cook the 71 gram of eziokwu ogbono paste. I'm going to go ahead, add my locust beans, add my crayfish, seasoning cubes so that it can dissolve before I add my ogbono paste. I'm not going to be adding salt yet. This is because iru is salty. I've added salt there's salt in my meat stock. There's crayfish in there. Crayfish is also salty. So I'm not going to be adding salt just yet. I would go ahead, cover my pot, allow it to boil properly. Then I would add my ogbono paste. So after I've added my ogbono paste, if there's still need to add salt, then I'll just go ahead and add salt. Yeah, it's boiling. It's boiling. Oh my goodness. The aroma of this is heavenly. I mean, stockfish, iru, yellow scotch bonnet in one pot. Come on. Come on. It's bursting with flavors. Once it boils, the next thing to do is to introduce your eziokwu ogbono paste. Come and check this out. Check this out, check this out, check this out. So you can see we do not have to blend our ogbono. We do not have to, go through any form of stress because you want to eat ogbono soup. Just get eziokwu ogbono paste. You can find it in stores closest to you in Nigeria, outside Nigeria. I do not want any part of this to escape. I want every single paste in my pot. Okay, so that is why I'm going to squeeze it until I get everything out of here. I'm going to introduce our fish. This is because I did not want it to scatter in the soup. I wanted it whole in the soup. So let's check this out. I can't wait. There are no lumps. As you can see, there are no lumps. It's smooth, it's stretchy, it's drawy, it's flavorful. I mean, it has a very nice aroma. Very, very nice aroma. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Just perfect. Everything about this ogbono paste is just perfect. Very perfect. I do not have to add additional oil because it's just the right quantity. If you want to add additional oil, you can go ahead and add it, but I'm just very okay with this. In addition to all that I have told you about eziokwu ogbono paste, once your meat is ready and your stockfish is properly cooked, you've added your 1 liter of water, immediately the water boils. Within 15 minutes, your soup is going to be ready. So as you can see, I'll just allow this to cook for some few more minutes and then I would introduce my vegetable into it. You may be wondering why I'm not covering this. Yes, once you add your ogbono paste, you do not need to cover. If you cover, it's going to kill the stretchiness of the soup. So you do not have to cover. Once you introduce your ogbono paste, just leave your pot of soup open, allow it to boil for about 3 minutes or for about 5 minutes, and then we add our leaves and it's ready to eat. Once we add our vegetable, our soup is ready. Just allow it to simmer for a few more minutes and that's all. So our ogbono soup is ready. Ready. So you can see how easy peasy this was. You do not have to, go through the stress of going to the market, having to blend your ogbono seeds and all. All you just need to do is have your eziokwu ogbono paste in your cupboard. Check out the oil. Check out the oil quantity. Ogbono for job 1, job 2 effect. Oh la la. This is beautiful. Now it's time to do justice to this soup. I can't wait to try it. I just can't wait. I'm using fufu. I like fufu. The smell of fufu and taste of fufu with ogbono is heaven. It's everything. I can't wait to just try. Ouch. This is so nice. The flavors are on point. I'm sure you would love it too. Aside anything, you do not have to go through the stress of cooking ogbono again with eziokwu ogbono paste. So this is where I draw the curtain on today's video. When you do try your eziokwu ogbono paste at home, do not hesitate to leave a comment or a feedback under this video. I'll be expecting to hear from you. Bye-bye.